Okay, welcome back to one more video from Deco Creation. In this video, let me take the exercise 8.2 of second question. So if you are watching the video first time, please do subscribe, support and share this video too with your friends, family members. It may help somebody to get some knowledge about the 10th maths. Okay, now come, let's start the video now. The second main is choose the correct option and justify your answer. In that, the first question, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Here the four options are given. Among them we need to be choose one as right answer and we need to be justify that answer. Okay, justify in the sense you need to be verify. Okay, so now let me take the, I have already written the problem here. How to simplify this problem? It is the very easy. I need to use the trigonometric ratio values from the trigonometric table. In the first step, I will write this 2 as it is. Tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? The value of tan 30 degree is 1 divided by root 3. Whole divided by, here 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 divided by root 3. Then it is become square, which is equal to, now I will multiply the numerator. 2 into 1 is 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by, this one I will write as it is 1 plus, here there is a square, 1 square is 1, square and square root get cancelled, divided by 3, which is equal to, here we need to be take the LCM in the denominator, then we need to be simplify them. Numerator I will write as it is 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 3 into 1 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Now which is equal to 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 3. Now this denominator I will take to numerator. Okay, now 2 divided by root 3, this division is going to convert it into multiplication and the numerator as well as denominator are going to be interchange. 3 divided by 4. Now I need to be simplify this, which is equal to, so 2 I will write as it is divided by this root 3 as it is, this root 3 into, particularly this 3 I will write it as root 3 into root 3 divided by this 4 I will write as it is, which is equal to, now 1 root 3 in the denominator, 1 root 3 in the numerator get cancelled. 2 1 times, 2 2 times. The left out numbers in the numerator is root 3 divided by 2. Among these four answer, which value is going to be root 3 by 2? Yes, of course, if you referred the table, that value which is equal to sine of 60 degree, hence the right option for this question is, this is the right option. I will write that in the different color, so to make you to understand, this is the correct option and this is what we did. It's all are the justification for this question. Okay, the second question of exercise 8.2. okay, the question is 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Here the four options are given. Tan 90 degree, that is the first option. B is equal to 1, C is equal to 45 degree, and D is equal to 0 degree. So now we need to choose the correct answer among these four options. Okay, first, in order to solve this, I need to substitute the value of tan 45 degree. Refer the trigonometric ratio table. From that we need to substitute the value. So 1 minus tan 45 degree value is 1. Here there is a square, 1 square divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Here there is a square, 1 square, which is equal to, see, 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 is going to be 0 divided by 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. So 0 divided by any number is going to be 0. Hence the right option is, that is D. D is the right option. The third question of same exercise 8.2. Here sin 2a equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to dash. It means that we need to substitute these angles to this expression. If LHS of the equation is exactly equal to the RHS of the equation, then the given statement is true, or else it is going to be a false. Now let me check it. I will take when a is equal to 0. It means that I will take a in place of a, I will substitute as 0. Then I will going to simplify. Let me see the LHS of the equation. Is it equal to the RHS of the equation? Okay, now I will write the equation. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. So as I told, in place of a I need to substitute 0. Sin 2 into 0, which is equal to 2 sin, in place of a I need to substitute as 0. Now 2 into 0 is going to be sin 0, which is equal to 2 into sin 0. Here also sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is going to be 0 from the trigonometric table, which is equal to 2 into sin 0 is 0. 0 is multiplied with 2. Again it is going to be 0. Therefore the LHS is also equal to 0 and RHS is also equal to 0 when a is equal to 0 degree. Now you can verify this with substituting 30 degree. So then you will get the different answer. Hence the right option here it is, a is equal to 0 degree. This is the right option. Okay, now the fourth question of same exercise. Here 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 30 degree. See, here the four options are given: cos 60 degree, sin 60 degree, tan 60 degree, and sin 30 degree. In order to solve this particular problem, I need to substitute the value of tan 30 degree from the trigonometric ratio table. See here, 2 I will write as it is. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree value is 2 into tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. That is what the numerator. Now comes to denominator. Here there is a 1. I will write it 1. After that it is minus tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Here it is square. Hence here also it is square. So now I need to simplify the numerator separately, then denominator separately. 2 into 1 is 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 square is 1 divided by square and square root get cancelled. It is going to be a 3. So now in the numerator I will write as it is 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by, I will take the LCM, 3 into 1 3 minus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 3. So now this I will take to numerator. Then the division is going to be a multiplication. 2 divided by root 3. When we shift the denominator to the numerator, then the division is going to be a multiplication and the terms are going to be interchanged. That is, this going to be a numerator followed by the denominator, that is 3 divided by 2, or else just you need to write the reverse. So now these two get cancelled. The left out terms in the numerator is 3 divided by root 3. Now which is equal to this 3, I will write it as root 3 into root 3 divided by 3 as it is. So 1 root 3 get cancelled. It is going to be a root 3. So now observe the trigonometric ratio table. Root 3, which is exactly equal to the tan of 60 degree. Therefore, C is the right option for the given question. Tan of 60 degree. Hence, tan of 60 degree, which is equal to root 3. After simplifying this term, we got the answer as root 3. Tan root 3 from the trigonometric table, it is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now the third question of exercise 8.2. If tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree, a greater than b, find a and b values. Here we need to find a and b values. Okay, to solve this particular problem, so remember this expression. This is one expression as well as this is one expression. Okay, so now I will write that expression. Tan a plus b, which is equal to root 3. Whatever they have given in the question, I have written the same thing. Now look at the trigonometric table. What is root 3 value? Yes, root 3 value, which is equal to tan of a plus b, which is equal to root 3, which is equal to tan of 60 degree from the trigonometric table. Now both sides in the LHS of the equation as well as the RHS of the equation, there is a tan. Hence a plus b, which is equal to 60 degree. This is what I call it as equation number 1. Now I will take the second expression. Tan a minus b, which is equal to 1 by root 3. From the trigonometric table, 1 by root 3, which is equal to what angle? Tan of a minus b, which is equal to 1 by root 3, which is equal to tan of 30 degree. Now both side tan. Then this equation I can rewrite as a minus b, which is equal to 30 degree. So now I got the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now in this equation 1 as well as equation 2, I need to find out the value of a and b, and a should be greater than b. Okay, so now I will write the from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. So to find out the value of a, I will add equation 1 plus 2. That is equation 1 plus 2. So what is equation 1? A plus b, which is equal to 60 degree. A minus b, which is equal to 30 degree. This is two simultaneous equation. So I am adding. So a plus a, 2a, plus b minus b get cancelled, which is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree, 90 degree. If 2a equal to 90 degree, then a value which is equal to 90 divided by 2, which is equal to 45 degree. So we have calculated the a value. Now we need to find out b value. To find b, you can take any one equation and substitute that value in the equation 1 or in the equation 2, then you will get the b value. Okay, here I will consider equation 2. I will consider. So what is equation 2? A minus b, which is equal to 30 degree. What is the value of a? 45 degree. Substitute in place of a 45 minus b, which is equal to 30 degree. 45 degree minus b, which is equal to 30 degree. Now they shift this to right side. That is minus b, which is equal to 30 degree plus 45 goes to right side. It is minus 45. So minus b, which is equal to 30 degree minus 45 degrees minus 15 degree. Both sides minus get cancelled. B is equal to 15. So therefore the value of a, which is equal to 45 degree, and the value of b, which is equal to 15 degree. This is what the final answer for the given question. Okay, now the fourth main of exercise 8.2. The question is, state whether the following are true or false and also justify your answer. In that, the first question, sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. I will say this statement is false. So let me justify it. So here what I will do is, I will take a as 30 degree and b as 60 degree. So now in place of a, I will substitute a as 30 degree. In place of b, I will substitute b as 60 degree. That is sine of 30 degree plus 60 degree, which is equal to sine of 30 degree plus sine of 60 degree. Okay, so now what we need to do? Just we need to substitute the values. So sine of 30 plus 60, it is going to be a sine of 90 degree. Here, what is the value of sine of 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus sine of 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So now, what is sine of 90 degree? Sine of 90 degree value is 1. So which is equal to, if we add these two, it is going to be a 1 root 3 by 2. Hence this is not equal to this. Hence the statement is false. So this is what the required justification for the given problem. Now comes to the second one. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. It means that, so here we need to write the sin theta value. I will write sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree and sin of 90 degree. So now for this I will write the values. Sin of, let me take a as angle or theta. Here it is given, so I will take it as theta. So now what is 0 degree? 0. 30 degrees 1 by 2. 45 degrees 1 by root 2. 60 degrees root 3 divided by 2. So 90 degrees 1. Look at this. From this table, from this particular table, this theta value is going to be increased. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And what about sine of theta? 0. 1 by 2 means it is 0.5. 1 by root 2 means it is 0.71. Root 3 by 2 means it is 0.86. So 90 degree means it is 1. Look at the values. Here it is 0. It is also increasing as 0.5. Next 0.71. Next it is 0.86. Next it is going to 1. Hence the statement is true. Okay, now the third question of same exercise. The value of cos theta increases as theta is increased. So to solve particularly this question, again I need to be write the cos theta values. So cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree. So what is the value of, let me write this in the form of table. Therefore then probably it would be very easy for all of us to understand. So now I will write the values, cos theta values. So now cos 0 degree is going to be a 1. From the table we need to be write the values. Cos 30 degree values root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree value is 0. So now it is 1. Root 3 by 2 value is going to be a 0.86. 1 by root 2 value is 0.71. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So 90 degree is going to be 0. Here as theta increases from 0 to 90 degree, but cos theta value is going to be decreased. It is not increased. Look at here. Here it is 1. Here it is 0.86. Hence the statement is false. So now the fourth question of same exercise, sine theta which is equal to cos theta for all the values of theta. Just let me take one exercise. Let me write sine 30 degree equal to cos 30 degree. In place of theta I assume it as 30 degree. Now let me write the values of. What is the value of sine 30 degree? It is 1 by 2 which is equal to, what is the value of cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2. So if these two values are not equal, then the statement is going to be false. It is false. Now comes to the last statement, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. You go and observe the trigonometric ratio table, the cot 0 degree which we cannot define, hence the statement is true. Cot 0 degree which we cannot define, cot of which is equal to 0 degree which we cannot define, that we, hence that ND. So if you observe the table, then you will come to know it is ND. So hence the statement is true. Okay, thank you for watching the videos. Please do subscribe, support, share and comment on this. And also in the next video, let me discuss the exercise 8.3. Once again, thank you all for watching.